Right now, a silent revolution is happening. It's not in the streets. It's not on the news every day. But it's already changing your future. Artificial intelligence is taking over tasks once done by humans. And the question is no longer if it will change your life, but how soon. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It writes emails, it creates videos, it answers questions, and in many cases, it works faster than humans. Companies are using AI to save time, cut costs, and increase profits. Across industries, jobs are beginning to shift. Customer service, data entry, even creative work are being assisted or replaced by machines. For some workers, this means uncertainty. For others it means starting over. The workplace is changing faster than most people expected. But this is not just a story of loss, it is also a story of opportunity. New jobs are being created. AI specialists, tech entrepreneurs, and digital creators. People who adapt are finding new ways to succeed. The future may not belong to machines, but to those who know how to use them. This transformation is not limited to one country. It is global. In developed economies, automation is accelerating. In developing regions, AI is opening new doors. From online businesses to remote work opportunities, technology is reshaping the global economy. And no one is untouched. But with rapid change comes risk, misinformation, job inequality, and dependence on technology are growing concerns. Some experts warn that society is not fully prepared. And without proper planning, the gap between those who benefit and those who struggle could grow even wider. The future is not coming. It is already here. Artificial intelligence is changing the rules of work, of business, and of life itself. The real question is not whether AI will shape the world. It's whether you will be ready when it does.